dividing fractions. The main thing to remember is keep, change, flip. Also keep in mind your reciprocal property. Where A times B over A is equal to AB over BA, which is equal to 1. So, for instance, if you have 4/5, you flip it, and you have 5/4, you will get 20 over 20, which is equal to 1. That property we will use often. So, an example of division with fractions is 4/5 divided by 1/2. Keep the first fraction, change to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Now you can multiply the numerators and the denominator, and if you want, make a mixed number, which is 1 3/5. Another example is if you take 2 divided by 1/2. Remember that a whole number you can put over 1. It's also a rational number. So 2 over 1, switch to multiplication, flip, and you get 2 times 2 and 1 times 1, which is 4 over 1, which is 4. The reason for this, let's say you have 2 candy bars. So you divide them in half. Then you have 4 pieces. So I'm going to write here 2 candy bars. Now you may end up with a mixed number instead of just a fraction. So if you take 2 3/4 divided by 5 1/2, you will have to make them improper. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So you have 11/4 divided by 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, 11/2. Keep the first fraction, change to multiplication, flip the second one, and here we can do a lot of cross-canceling, because 11 will go away, 2 goes into itself once, and 4 twice, and we have 1 times 1 and 2 times 1, which is 1/2. We can box that. So the key here is to remember when you are dividing, keep, change,